Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, July 30, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Long day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later.
Same here. Always running around for sales. How many meetings you got today?
Just 2, but they're long. What about you?
I've got 3 calls with clients. Always busy.
That sounds like a lot. You tired already?
A little, but coffee helps. Hey, did you see the news about the trade deal?
Which one? I read something this morning.
The US and European Union got a framework for a trade deal. I saw it on CNN.
Oh yes, I saw that too. It's a big step for business.
Yeah, maybe it helps us with clients in Europe. More deals, more money.
True, but I wonder how it changes things for smaller companies. Will they get a fair chance?
Good point. I just hope it means less paperwork for me.
Huh. Always thinking about less work, but it's important for the economy.
For sure. If we sell more, maybe I get a bonus this year.
That would be nice. I think it also helps with jobs if trade grows.
Yeah, more jobs, more clients for me. I like that idea.
It's a chain effect. Let's see how it plays out.
True. We'll know soon, I guess. Hey, speaking of news, did you hear about the new tech stuff coming out?
What tech news? I'm curious.
There's this new thing with artificial intelligence. Big companies are using it more for work.
Oh, I read about that on the New York Times site. AI is changing how we do projects.
Yeah, it's crazy. Maybe soon I don't need to call clients. Just let a robot do it.
Huh, that would be funny. But I think it helps with planning and data, not calls.
True, but I'm not sure I trust a computer that much. What if it messes up my sales?
That's a risk. But it can save time if we use it right.
Maybe. I just don't want my job to disappear.
Don't worry. We still need people. Tech just helps us.
Hope so. Do you think our boss will bring AI to the office soon?
Maybe in a year or 2. We need to train for it first.
Oh, more training? I'm already swamped with work.
Don't worry. It's just step by step.
Okay, I'll trust you on that. I just hope it doesn't make my day harder.
It shouldn't. It's meant to make things easier.
Fingers crossed. I already spend too much time on my computer.
I get it. We all do, I think.
Yeah, too much screen time. Oh, and did you see that culture thing in the news?
What culture news? Tell me.
There's this big story about a Broadway play on TV. First time they did it live.
Really? I saw that on CNN. It's cool to see theater reach more people.
Yeah, they showed it on a Saturday night. George Clooney was in it.
Nice. I like when art gets to everyone, not just in big cities.
Totally. I'm not into plays, but watching it on TV sounds fun.
It's a good way to relax after work. Maybe we can watch something like that one day.
Huh. Only if there's popcorn. Work is too busy for extra plans.
Fair enough. I just think it's nice to see culture growing.
Yeah. It's a good break from all the office stress. I need more breaks like that.
Me too. After a long day, something fun helps.
For sure. Maybe I'll tell my wife about it, see if she wants to watch.
Good idea. It's nice to share things like that.
Yeah, makes the evening better. Hey, speaking of evenings, you got plans after work?
Not really, just some emails to finish. What about you?
Same, gotta check some sales numbers. Work never stops.
I know. Sometimes I wish for a quiet night.
Me too. But hey, at least we got coffee now.
True, this coffee machine saves my day.
Same here. Let's go back to that trade deal for a sec.
Sure, what's on your mind?
I just wonder if it means more travel for me. Europe is far.
Maybe, but travel can be fun. You get to see new places.
True, but I hate long flights. They make me so tired.
I get that. Maybe they'll just do video calls instead.
Oh, I hope so. That's much easier.
It saves time too. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, fingers crossed again. And about that AI stuff, you think it's expensive?
Probably at first. But it might save money later.
I hope the boss doesn't cut my budget for it. I need my tools.
Don't worry. They'll balance it out.
Better be. I can't work without my stuff.
I'm sure they'll plan it well. We just need to adapt.
Adapt, always adapting. Story of my life.
Mine too. It's part of the job.
Yeah, no kidding. Hey, in that Broadway play, you think they'll do more like it?
I hope so. It's a great idea for more people to see theater.
True. Maybe next time it's a comedy. I like to laugh.
That would be fun. I'd watch a comedy for sure.
Same here. Laughter is the best after a tough day.
Totally. It's a good way to forget work stress.
Speaking of stress, I better get back to my desk now. Got a call in 10 minutes.
Me too. I've got a report to start.
Ouch. Good luck with that. Have a good day, Alex.
Thanks, you too, David. See you later.
You bet. Catch you at the coffee machine tomorrow.
For sure. Take it easy.
You too. Knock those reports out.
Thanks. Good luck with your calls.
Thanks, I'll need it. Later.
Later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.